What if one skill could change your career, your relationships, your confidence, your entire life? Not intelligence, not talent, not luck, just one skill. That skill is communication. And today, you are going to learn 10 powerful lessons that will completely change the way you talk to people. But here's something special. This video is made in simple English. Every sentence is short and clear. So while you learn these powerful lessons, your English listening will also improve. New words, real sentences, natural speaking style. Just listen carefully from start to end. By the end of this video, you will feel two things: your communication getting stronger and your English getting better. Let us begin. Lesson 1. Listen more than you speak. Most people think communication starts with speaking. It does not. It starts with listening. Great communicators understand one thing. People do not just want to be heard. They want to feel understood. Most people listen while preparing their next response. They are waiting for their turn. They are not really paying attention. Real listening is different. Real listening means being fully present. When someone speaks, put your phone away. Look at them. Pay attention to their words. Pay attention to their emotions. Sometimes people are saying more than their words reveal. The more deeply you listen, the more you understand. And understanding creates connection. People trust those who make them feel important. So remember, speak less, listen more. Lesson 2. Speak with clarity. Many people lose attention because they overcomplicate simple ideas. Strong communication is not about sounding intelligent. It is about being understood. Avoid unnecessary words. Get to the point. Imagine two people explaining the same idea. One talks for 5 minutes with many details. Another explains it clearly in 30 seconds. Who creates more impact? Almost always the second person. Clarity creates confidence. People trust messages they understand quickly. So, slow down when you speak. Organize your thoughts before sharing them. Think before you talk. Remember, simplicity is powerful. Lesson 3. Build your confidence. Many people think confidence comes before action. It does not. Confidence comes after action. Confidence is not speaking loudly. It is not dominating every conversation. Confidence is trusting yourself enough to express your thoughts without fear. When you speak with certainty, people notice. Stand tall, speak clearly. Stop apologizing for your opinions. Your ideas matter. At first, you may feel nervous. That is okay. Growth happens outside comfort zones. The more you practice speaking, the more natural confidence becomes. Confidence works like a muscle. Use it, and it grows stronger. Lesson 4. Use your body language. Communication is much bigger than words. Before you even speak, people are already forming impressions. Your posture, your eye contact, your facial expressions, they all speak before your voice does. Walk into a room with confidence, and people feel it. Walk into a room looking uncertain, and people sense it. Your body should support your words. Maintain natural eye contact. Keep an open posture. Avoid nervous movements. Smile when it feels right. Use gestures naturally. Small adjustments create huge differences. People listen not only with their ears, they listen with their eyes too. Lesson 5. Understand emotions. Communication is not just exchanging information. It is understanding emotions. Imagine speaking to someone who feels frustrated or stressed. If you ignore their emotions and focus only on facts, your message may fail. People connect emotionally before they connect logically. Learn to notice emotional signals. Pay attention to tone. Pay attention to expressions. Pay attention to energy. And most importantly, manage your own emotions. Reacting without thinking often creates regret. Responding thoughtfully creates respect. People who understand emotions create better conversations because they understand people, not just words. Lesson 6. Remove weak words. Many people unknowingly weaken their communication. Words like maybe, I guess, sort of, probably. These words reduce your impact. Imagine saying, I think maybe we should consider trying this. Now compare it with, let us try this. Feel the difference? One sounds uncertain, the other sounds decisive. This does not mean being aggressive. It means speaking with intention. Also, watch your filler words. Like, you know. Most people use them without realizing it. Instead of filling silence with unnecessary sounds, pause. Silence makes you appear more confident, more thoughtful. Powerful speakers are comfortable with pauses. Lesson 7. Adapt to your audience. Not everyone thinks the same way. Different people respond differently. The way you speak with close friends is different from the way you speak in a professional meeting. Your message may be similar, but your delivery must change. Some people prefer logic, others prefer emotion, some want specifics, others want the big picture. Pay attention to reactions. Notice body language. Observe interest levels. Adjust when needed. Flexibility creates stronger connections. People listen more carefully when they feel understood. Lesson 8. Strengthen your voice. Your voice carries energy. The same sentence can create completely different reactions depending on how it is delivered. Tone matters. Pacing matters. Volume matters. Many nervous speakers rush through sentences because silence feels uncomfortable. Confident communicators slow down. They allow words to breathe. They use pauses intentionally. They change rhythm to maintain attention. Practice recording your voice. Listen carefully. Notice where you speak too fast. Notice where you speak too softly. Improving your voice can dramatically improve your presence, because communication is not only about words, it is about delivery. Lesson 9. Tell stories. Facts inform people. Stories move people. Human beings naturally connect with stories because stories create emotion. Think about your favorite teacher or speaker. You probably remember their stories more than their facts. You do not need extraordinary experiences. Simple moments can become powerful lessons. Maybe you learned something from failure. Maybe a difficult time taught you an important truth. Maybe a small experience changed your perspective. Those moments matter. Good stories create connection because they help people see themselves in your message. When people feel something, they remember it. Lesson 10. Practice every day. Communication is not mastered in one day. Like any skill, improvement requires repetition. Every conversation is practice. Every interaction is an opportunity. After conversations, ask yourself questions. Did I listen carefully? Did I speak clearly? Did I stay present? What could I do better? Small reflections create major growth over time. Also, seek feedback. Sometimes others notice habits we never see in ourselves. Growth begins when awareness increases. And remember, perfection is not the goal. Progress is. The final message: as you keep improving, you will notice changes. Conversations become easier. Confidence becomes stronger. Relationships become deeper. People begin responding differently. Opportunities begin appearing where they did not before. Communication touches every area of life: your career, your relationships, your confidence, your ability to lead. Everything improves when communication improves. The world does not need more noise. It needs more meaningful voices. People who listen carefully. People who speak with purpose. People who connect with honesty. You can become one of those people. You do not need perfection. You simply need practice. So start today. Listen more deeply. Speak more clearly. Show more confidence. Connect more intentionally. because your voice carries power. Use it wisely, and it can change your entire life.